Hello, welcome to Shortcut Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to create attractive background themes in Quelea Presentation Software, so your song lyrics and Bible slides look consistent and readable during service. We will cover colors, images, and video backgrounds, and how to apply the themes globally or individual items. So let's go directly to the video. Now, how do you create background themes? Or where are your background themes found? On your left hand side, you can see this button here. This button, when you click it, it will take you to a place where your background themes and where you can actually add any background theme which you want to your display, which you're displaying here. Here is where you can find all kinds of themes which you have ever created or which you have ever used in Quelea Presentation Software. And when you choose any theme, by clicking on the song, you can make them as a default display for either your song or your Bible by checking these buttons here like this, and you'll be using that particular display as your default for any song or Bible presentation. For example, I have chosen this as my Bible default presentation, and when I come back to Quelea and I come here to the Bible and I say I want Genesis 2, and then I add it to the schedule here, and when I double click on it, you can see that in my preview here, I'm showing that particular display there. Now, how do you create a new one? You can come here to create new theme, and you can see that this is how it will be appearing. A slide like this will appear. You can give your theme a name. For example, I can give this theme a name, Bible, like that, and then here on your left hand side, you can see that here is where you're going to set all your fonts and the appearance of your theme, and here is where you're going to set the background. Now, in most cases, our appearance or the fonts depend on the color of your background. Let us first set the background before we come back to the fonts. Now, the first thing, you can set a color, image, or video background. For example, for the sake of the colors, you can choose any kind of color here which you want to be your background on anything which you're going to display, or you can also choose an image. Now, when you choose an image, you can see that it can put a slide here which is transparent, but when you click on the three buttons here, you can go to your file explorer and you check out some of the images. For example, these ones, all these images come already installed in Quelea Presentation Software. Now, I can choose any of these. For example, I can choose this background as my image to be used in this particular theme. Now, I told you that your background will determine the color of your fonts. Now, let us go to the fonts. Now, the next thing is that you can either add any kind of fonts on your background. For example, I can add Vendana as my font here like this. Now, if you want any other font on your computer, these are just default fonts which I added in my Quelea. But if you want any other fonts from your computer, you can click on the three buttons here and you drop any kind of font which you want and drop it in this slide here, and then you say done. And when you come back here, you can see that my area round has been added as my other new font which I can use. That's how you can add that particular fonts there. Now, the next thing is that you can see that there are many things here which you can use. For example, this one here allows you to make these words bold, and this one allows you to make these words italicized, and this one allows you to make these words to appear on the right hand side, on the left hand side, and this alignment on the right hand side, or even in the middle. Let me first choose here Franklin Ball Heavy. Now, the next thing is adding any other effect on your background theme or on your fonts. You can come here to these three buttons here, and when you click on them, they'll take you to another small panel which looks like this. On this panel here, you can also apply other effects there. For example, you can apply a shadow, and when you apply a shadow, let me first raise it up here. When you apply a shadow, you can see that on your preview, things will change or things will shift here. For example, let me choose the color of my shadow to be maybe green, and when I increase this, the shadow offset, you can see that my words are appearing more green. I think the color blue will do well here. Now, you can also increase the radius of your shadow like that. Or you can also increase the shadow spread like that. And that's how you do it. As simple as that. Now the next thing, you can click OK once you're satisfied with whatever you're seeing here. Now, you can see that when you hover upon this preview screen here, you can see that it blinks. Now, this blinking here allows you to arrange your words the way you want them to arrange. For example, when I click on this button here, on this box here, and I click on another box, I'll be extending my words to the left hand side. When I click on another box, I'll be extending my words to another side until you get satisfied with your display. Afterwards, you say OK. As you can see that my theme has been finally created, as you can see it here. I can choose this as my theme for the default songs, or I can also choose it as a Bible default theme. And afterwards, I click outside. Now, when I display it, I go live. You can see that I'm having another background here, as you can see it. If you have enjoyed this video, I request you to subscribe and also like this video so that you can be able to reach other audiences outside there. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.